Hello viewers, let's change or update Gmail password on PC as well as Android phone instantly. Now Gmail is open, so click this gear like sign and then click see all settings. Now click on account and import and now click change password. Now enter your new password and confirm password. If you click I like sign, so you will see your password. Now click change password and you can see it has been changed and communicated through email. Once again, let's change the password of Gmail on mobile phone. So open Gmail, click on your photo and click Google account. Now scroll down and click Google password and now enter your new password. If you click I like sign, so you can see password. Now confirm new password and now click the button change password and the message display your password was changed. If this appears, so click close. You can also see the same from your quick access through notification of your Gmail in mobile phone. Thanks for watching.